I realized there was something that a lot of you are unsure about, and it's how to pronounce this letter. As a general rule, this letter is not pronounced like in French. In French, you'll pronounce it E. But in English, E is usually written as a double E or EA. So just know that if you see this letter, generally you're not going to pronounce it as E. I say generally because, of course, like French, English has a lot of exceptions. So how do you pronounce this letter? Well, there are two main ways. One way is a short vowel. For example, in the word sit, it's very short, I. In English, we have a distinction between short and long vowels. So you will have I like sit and E like seat, S-E-A-T. I know a lot of you are scared to say words like beach, I went to the beach, because you're scared of saying another word. Make sure you elongate the long vowels, E, seat, and really shorten the short ones, sit. Then you won't make any mistake. So the letter I can be pronounced like a short vowel, sit. But it can also be pronounced as what we call a diphthong. I, like I, like I. So that's the other way that generally the letter I is pronounced. How do you know which way to pronounce it? Well, there are actually some rules. There are also exceptions to the rules, but let's not worry about those for now. So what are some of the rules? Well, here you can see you have the letter I and then one consonant, and then it's the end of the word. When this happens, the I will be short, sit. If I double the consonant and then add the rest of the word, like sitting, it will also be short because the double consonant makes the vowel short, sitting. If I add another vowel, for example, E, after the one consonant, it becomes I, sight. And as a general rule, this is how you know whether to pronounce I or I. If you want more information on this, in the link below, you can get my document which tells you everything you need to know about pronunciation of vowels and spelling. And it should clear up some of the difficulties of knowing whether to say sit or sight when you encounter a new word.